for being here with us on this Mother's Day. We do have a number of activities that I hope you folks take advantage of. For our Kamaʻāina, please go and get your wristbands for the free tours today at the Palace. And you can get it right at the tent in front of the Armory. We have Kaulani, we have an ukeke workshop. That will probably fill up really quickly, so if you didn't already sign up, you'll want to do so right away. We also have Kiowa Nelson coming in today, I think, to do Ulana Lohala classes. So we have so many wonderful things for you today on this Mother's Day. And I do want to introduce the mother of this event, Director Paula Akana, this morning. Mahalo, Paula, for having everyone and opening the gates.
Mahalo, mahalo. So happy to have you here. I know there's quite a few people that are already on those waiting for the first tours in the back. So if you haven't gotten your tour ticket, or even if you've done it before, because we have some folks who come every month and go on the tour, because you'll find something new in the Palace every time you look. I do that constantly. But we thank you here for being at Kamaʻāina Sunday, especially on this Mother's Day. It's just special to have people here on the grounds of the Palace, and it really works with our mission with the Friends of ʻIolani Palace to not only restore and repair and maintain this palace, but to share her story. And part of her story are the people and the gatherings. So we thank you for being here today. Just have a lot of fun. We've got great music throughout the day. We have food, we have a gift shop, and you can, once our practitioners are here, you can make lei kupe'e, floral kupe'e, and lauhala bracelets, and learn to play konani, which is not just checkers, folks. It's like a Hawaiian chess, right? There's much more strategy to konani. But I really encourage you to learn konani there under the tent, because I think this summer we're going to have a konani tournament. So maybe learn and you get ready for the tournament in time. Anyway, thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you, Mahalo, Paula. So yes, please take advantage of all the offerings we have for you today. And I think we are going to enjoy almost like a little private concert this morning. I'd like to introduce the gentlemen of Ōlauniu who will be opening it for us. So please give them a round of applause. This is Ōlauniu.
Ōlauniu. Mother's Day to everyone out there.